Students, today we are going to see about procedures as well as functions in SQL. Okay, so when we are dealing with procedures as well as functions, before going with I'll be teaching you something about what is the procedure as well as the function. In SQL, procedure it won't return some value, but in the case where we'll be having the functions, it will be returning some value based on the query which we have provided over there. And it will be, in the case of functions, it is used to calculate the result using some given inputs which we are providing. But in the case of procedure, it will be performing some task in a particular order. Okay. So this is the way in which, so for which at first I'll be creating a table. Okay. So for creating the table, I'll be providing. So I'll be opening SQL. Okay. So in the case where I have created a table with, as you know already, I'll be teaching you how to, what are all the table which I have created. Okay. So I have created a table like course. Okay. In which it will be having the columns. Okay. So this is the course is the table name which I have created. Course is the table name which I have created, in which I'll be creating, that is defining the procedure. So for which I'll be using create. This is the password as well as the server in which, the database in which I'll be connecting. Okay, system is the database, and in which root is the username which I am having. So in that I'll be connecting and creating a procedure which is named as course details. Okay, so afterwards I'll be beginning the procedure in which I'll be defining. Already I have created a table like which will be having the course code, course name, syllabus, as well as last name. Okay, so I'll be creating, giving the query like select star from course. So that is what the query which I have given for making the procedure, and I'll be ending with the details. So after which I'll be executing. So in that, that is the thing has created, that is the procedure has created, in which 3 rows has written. That is the one which I have created with course code name, course name as well as syllabus and last number. So this is about the procedures. Next, I will be going to see about the functions. Okay. So in the case where I'll be having the functions, I have created, that is what I have told as a function, it will be returning some value, right? So for which I have created a function in which for the function, I have created a thing like the name of the table which I have created is date of birth. Okay. So employee is the database which I have created is. So products is there. Okay, employee. So in the employee table, I am having three columns. The columns are name, date of birth, and location. Okay. So for which I am going to create a. So I have inserted the values too. So we can check at first. Select star from. Yes, I have inserted three sets of values. That is Ahmed, date of birth as well as location, Sumit, Sudha. That are all the three tuples I have added. And for which, what I am going to do, I will be creating the functions. Okay. So for creating the functions, I will be getting the date of birth of a particular case. Okay. So for getting the date of birth of a particular case, I have given so I'll be creating the function create function. So I am using the database. What is the database? Sys, SYS, right? So sys dot get OBS. That is the function name which I am providing. Okay. So employee name so this is the function which I am going to create, which will be returning the data type date, which may be deterministic. Now beginning the transaction, that is begin, declare date of birth, we are giving the data type as date. Okay. Now we'll be giving the query, that is select DOB. That is the column name which we have given. So date of birth from the database where it is SYS dot, what is the table name? Employee. Okay, which I have created already. So where name equal to employee name. That is what I have given. Semicolon. Now return. What I need to return? Return date of birth, semicolon, end. So here, so it is giving like syntax error. So here, we need to change it as system. That is a schema which will be have. Okay. So that might be the error. change it. Okay. So now we can see like the function has created. So when we are checking in the place where functions is here, it is not here. So better we can refresh it. It is showing like get the database. So this is the function which we have called, right? So now what we need to do, we need to get the thing, right? Get some particular detail which which we have. When we need to call the function, what we can do, we can have select, get the date of birth of Ahmed. Ahmed. Yes. So it has written the value of Amit. Okay. So that is how we need to create the procedures as well as the functions. Thank you, students.